Hello everybody, Dave here, Dave's Mountain Railroad. Today we're down in the layout room. We're going to bring to you my review of the Scale Trains GE ES44AC Canadian National 2910 as delivered. And I went and I did some research online and I got some pictures to see just how closely they did when they built it. So we're gonna take a look here, trying to get it in the shot. There we go. Okay, so as we can see in the picture here, I should have really looked at what these were, but as you can see, there is a green sticker on the door, and Scale Trains has also put that there with the CNN. We have very nice handrails, coupler cut lever, air hoses, McHenry coupler, or Scale Trains coupler, air hose, brake hose, more air hoses, ditch lights, and right up here is a red DPU light. It's on front and rear, and it's for, if you have it in DPU mode, it will light up red. We have separately applied grab irons, separately applied windshield wipers, number boards, PTC antenna array, all here on the front. When we turn to the side, now we have another picture here to see how well they did on the side. Let me back this out just a little bit. Oop. Okay, there we go. Now we can get pretty much the whole thing. Now, we'll do this because the train's facing the other way. So on this side, we have our 2910, the GE ES44AC, blacked out windows, safety striping, numerous safety decals. Handrails are nice and straight. They came just like that when I took out all the foam. I'm going to bring the train over here because I like this. This is a brand new one. And I like how, let's see if you can see it, the wheels are rusted. The wheels are rusted. Pretty neat. Okay. Bell, filler cap, sight glass, breather, the CN, the www.cn.ca, air horn, exhaust, radiator vents. They are see-through. We have the yellow striping on the steps going up, front and rear. Here you can see it on the rear. We have all our safety decals. We come around to the back. We have CNN, 2910 headlight. Again, grab irons, ditch lights, the DPU light, like I said, in the back, coupler cut lever, air hose, extra knuckles. Now here's where I wanted to show you, because now here's the picture looking that way. See, now we have it the same way as the train is going now. Oh, we can't see it that way, so we're going to have to try and do our best here. I'm going to hold it up like this. Nope, can't even see it. But it came out real good, because we have our safety striping again. More safety decals all the way across. All the access doors, vents for the brakes. Again, sunshade, blacked out windows, number, and more decals. All in all, I think it came out pretty good. Now I'm gonna lift it up here. Hopefully I can get this to come in view. But as you can see here, these are all decals. These are all safety decals. I mean, the eyes aren't as good as they were, but, and then again on this side, here's our air compressors, fuel tank, fuel filler, and it has underneath lights. I like the new version because you get this manual, and it is 15 pages with all CVs and basic programming notes and your functions and CVs. So now I do have power turned on the layout. Let me just go over what the of course it came in multiple road numbers. It has operating LED ground lights on both sides. I just noticed them in the front. It has walkway lights, front, rear, on the sides. The DPU marker lights, lit number boards. It has a rear Canadian rock pilot, which is right here. Okay, and the sound is good. So let me turn this off right now. Let's get it set up on the track, and we'll do a run by and the functions. Okay, and we're back. Right now I just have it programmed to 3. Normally I program all my engines to the road number, but this one just came in the mail a day ago, and I haven't had a chance to put it on the ESU programmer yet. So let's go. F8 is our startup. Okay, F8 is startup. F0 is headlights. There's the headlight. F1 is the bell. And you can choose a different bell. F2 is the horn. And again, you can change that also. F3 is coupler clank. F4 is dynamic brakes. F5 is the DPU lights. Now, you're not going to see it right now, so because right now it's in forward. So let me put it in reverse and watch right over here. And there's the DPU light. And that's controlled by F5. And if we have it going in reverse, it'll be on the back side. So if you have this hooked up as a DPU and it's running backwards, the back will light up. F6 is ditch lights. You can make in the book, it tells you how to make the ditch lights if you want them to flash. F7 is nothing. F8 is startup. F9 is drive hold. But if you have independent brakes on, F10 will not work. F11 is radiator fan, F12 is headlight dimmer, F13 is ear dryer, 14 is nothing, F15 is isolation switch, F17 is auto brake set release, F18 is standing valve, 19 is short air let off, F20 is air compressor, 21 is handbrake, 22 is cab door, 23 is engine hood door, 24 is the reverser center. It locks out the throttle controls when on. 25 is the cooling shutters. 26 is the manual notch up. 27 is manual notch down. 28 is manual notching logic. You can toggle on and off to use the feature. 29 is a load simulation. 30 is automatic brake. And 31 is to fade out the sound. So now, let's do a run by. Let me back this up to get to some of the cars. I just have 4 cars hooked up on this right now. That's what I had laying around on the layout that we had. So we'll do a quick little run by and this is at speed step 8. Trying to have it do the run by the scenic portion of the layout. And you can hear the horn comes on, and here you can see the walkway light, which is right there. And once again, this is Dave from Dave's Travel. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And today is the day before Thanksgiving when this is being filmed. I don't know when it'll be online, but I hope you have a very happy holiday. Dave from Dave's Model Railroad saying have a great day.